awkward in it when you do it.
This is my bike check.
That's some tough, dude.
It's a stolen Sinner 2010. It's got the stolen
Check one,
money
check two.
grips,
Check one, check two.
stolen tall boy, Crow Molly bars, whatever kind of bar ends those are. They look like inverted nipples. Stolen convict stem with Shadow Conspiracy blue hollow bolts, because you can see through them. Screwdriver just went up my butt. It's a little weird. Integrated head tube, stolen cyclone forks, steel peg, stolen revolver rims with very loose spokes, and Tioga 100 psi 2.25 tire, and a pair of these nice black plastic pedals. They're the Odyssey ones, and stolen cranks with a stolen bottom bracket and a stolen PC boss seat and a proper seat post clamp that's anodized blue, and a stolen 25 tooth class ring sprocket, Pintle half link chain,
You suck this dick.
and a steel peg and a blue wheel that is a stolen revolver with a Tioga 100 psi 2.25 tire in the back. And there's a stolen Thermalite post.